Hey ningixolele bafethu ngiyazi le video lengishaya late after le game le Orlando Pirates versus Marumo Gallants. Ngizoshaya ama player ratings Orlando Pirates. Sisibonile sonke iscore Orlando Pirates win ngo 8-1. Lo 8-1 bukhombisa ukuthi le game le bekuyigame imnandi yabo. Le game le bingikhumbuza le game eyadlalwa iPlatinum Stars versus Golden Arrows. Igame iziphela ngo 6-4. Muyikhumbule leyo game uzongibhalela ama comments. But lana ngizoshaya ama player ratings. Lana ngizobe ngirate abadlali ukuthi badlale kanjani against iMarumo Gallants abadlali beOrlando Pirates. So starting from uSipho Chayini uyena goalkeeper obevimbele Orlando Pirates izolo. Angifuna manga uSipho Chayini ube na ama saves abo couple of saves uSipho Chayini wavimbile yabo especially kwi second half menibona kahle iMarumo Gallants bingayibekile phansi bifuna ukhave Orlando Pirates but uSipho Chayini ubekhona emuva wenzile ama saves yabo so yena umjide ngiyamnikeza u7.7 yabo 7.7 out of 10 yabo udlalile umfana emuva lapha yize concedile but ngiyamnikeza u7.7 rating mase uthi usesani center back athi idlala lapha athi bedlala emuva yize benganikezwanga i-tested match yabo i-test bayithole first half lapho khona siconcede goal ngisho ukuthi abafethu badlale kakhulu because abakaza bawathole ama threats yabo abamenza ukuthi ba defend so ngabanikeza 6.4 ngamnikeza 6.4 umjida yabo akangidlalelanga kahle not ukuthi ubozile cha ningizwa kahle akabozanga usesani izolo ukuthi abamhluphanga yabo abamhluphanga net match mase kuza usibisi naye ungomunye wabadlali engingasho ukuthi abahluphanga kakhulu but uyenzile i-crucial mistake le mistake le edala ukuthi siconcede yabo so yena umjida ngamnikeza 6.8 because bekukhona la simbona khona ukuthi usibisi ayuyadlala yabo but into engibanika yona lama defenders wethu lama center backs wethu u2 ilento le ama long balls bayakwazi ukuwashaya mase bedishela ama wingers wethu yabo iyona into abagodi kuyona yabo usibisi benosesana ba good ekushayina ama long balls yabo so abafethu ngabanikeza kanje ngitshela wona ama comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale rating le ungakhohle ukusubscribe uVane Sports ukhona YouTube na Facebook ngiyatholala futhi ngoVane Sports mase kuthi left back yami uDion Hot abafethu ungidlalele kamnandi izolo hlezi ngisho le ndaba uDion Hot umele aqale as left back yabo lento umenza uyiwinger yabo amnikeza justice so yena uDion Hot ofethu ngamnikeza i-rating e7.4 umubhe igoli lokuqala liqhamuka uDion Hot uyena umdlali obeforce ukuthi leya team leya ipush back waseshaya icross ashawe inqaba ofethu babe on mase bano Van Rooyen bafethu uThobthukuzile bafethu udlale kamnandi umjidi izolo bengingamnikeza man of the match mina yabo and ukhombisile impela ukuthi uyayithanda Orlando Pirates le celebration ayishayile ngosikhathi score igoli bafethu yabo ukhombisile impela umjidi ukuthi kahle iPirates isothandweni la celebration le abayikhumbulayo is one of the biggest celebrations ama legend ePirates ayikhumbulayo le celebration yabo so umjidi ngamnikeza u8.0 yabo rating yakhe out of 10 mase uMakehleni Makaula is one of those players abadlale kahle yabo and umjidi bafethu uyadlala ngempela bafethu kumele sihlale phansi nje bafethu sibonge ukuthi sinomdlalo nje uMakehleni Makaula yabo kulesa seOrlando Pirates he is very influential yabo kule amigli so yena ngamnikeza 6.8 yabo abamhluphanga kakhulu uMakaula izolo ngiqonda ukuthi kuthange njalo angazi indawo ngilo ngithi izolo yabo but abamhluphanga kakhulu umjida bafethu udlale kamnandi futhi Makaula another player udlale kamnandi yabo kade ngangimgxeka bafethu umbatha mfethu in the recent game that we played uma ungivolowa nje uzowabheka ama video uzobona ngikhuluma umbatha ubengenzi kahle bafethu sibe nje nevar umbatha ubengadlali kahle and kule game lade sidla neMarumo Gallants ukhombisile umfana ukuthi cha ibhola ngiyalazi yabo uthando lwebhola nginalo uma uyibonile iperformance yakhe asinikeze yona against iMarumo Gallants ubone ukuthi umdlalo ube free ubedlala ngokuzethemba impela yabo and leyo nto leyo isinikeza ama results amahle because wabole nama goals akhe bengaphandle kwebhokisi yabo abaningi bambiza ngoValverde yabo uyadlala impela umjida fethu so yena ngamnikeza i-rating ya 9.2 yabo 9.2 wangitshela wona ama comments ukuthi ungamnikeza ba umbatha but mina ngamnikeza 9.2 out of 10 another player ezolo odlale kamnandi bafethu uKabelo Dlamini is one of those players ama fans athi angimela iqala igame but izolo bathi bakhombisile impela ukuthi meyiqala igame uyadlala ngempela umjida fethu uKabelo Dlamini ngamnikeza u8.1 out of 10 8.1 rating out of 10 umjida yabona nje leya performance leya yabo leya performance phela ngibanika abantu o10 yabo i-performance ya 10 out of 10 i-performance emnandi ngempela yabo so 8.1 fethu I feel like reasonable yabo because udlale ngempela umjida bafethu udlalile another player futhi udlalile umfuking bafethu udlalile naye bafethu so i-rating yakhe izofana neyaDlamini i-rating yamfuking ngizoyifanisa neyaDlamini udlalile umjida but some may say it was a 10 out of 10 performance but ayinikezwe 8.1 I feel like bel deserve igol umjida yabo igol bel deserve kule game leyana it's unfortunate ukuthi igol alithola ngaliphiki uref athi is ref offside that was not an offside bafethu umuntu libonile igol lamfuking first half bekuyigol leyana oref bale South Africa sino ref ababheda abomsangana mayasiza ngumkoda mfethu unkota umdlali weOrlando Pirates lo udlalile kule game leya udlalile yize ngalithola ngigoli yabo ndibombona impela ukuthi uyalifuna igoli ama chances abe nawo ade loke khahlela eyaphezulu kwebhala but ububona impela ukuthi umjinto uyalifuna igoli so ngeke ngimnikeze i-rating ehigh futhi ngeke ngimnikeze i-rating elow yabo ise send umnikeza 7.4 out of 10 yabo I feel like ubedinga more uma kubulitolile igoli mhlambe besingakhuluma into ezwakalayo mhlambe simnike 8 something yabo ngoba alithola ngigoli and ubemisa futhi so ngamnikeza 7.4 because ubekahlela yabo he was trying akafana umdlalo ongazamanga ukukhahlela mase uthi inkalakatha abafethu yabona mfethu isigwebo sentabo mabasa abafethu isigwebo sentabo madoda isigwebo sentabo bengifuna ukumnika u10 but ke angikwazanga ukumnika u10 because iperformance yakhe iyayifanele neperformance esinikezwe lo mjida lo umbatha yabo so kubo bona boba u2 angikwazi ukunikeza oyedwa kahle kahle u10 yabo angikwazi ubanikeza u10 I feel like ngimele ngibalevelishe yabo balingana so ngimnikeza 9.2 rating yabo Shelly Headshake mfethu boy man of the match ngimnikeza 9.2 rating yabo ungangitshela wena ama comments ukuthi uba rate ba labadlali lapha yabo ungangitshela lapho bafethu ungakhohlwa subscribe bovani sports lo athi sawubona